Zephyr Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cilantro and tomato dip. And this is basically a pico de gallo, so a raw tomato salsa. I know a lot of people really don't like cilantro, but it really is the perfect thing to use in salsa. I'm going to start with one tomato. I'm going to dice it up really small because you want it to nicely go onto the chips that you're going to dip in it. Okay, I'm going to add some chopped cilantro. Some red onion. And this is a diced Anaheim chili, which is a fairly mild chili, but I like to use it for this because I can use a lot of it and just get a lot of wonderful chili flavor. Here's some lime, some salt, and some chili powder. And there you have a cilantro and tomato dip.